In this video, I'm going to show you how to check battery health on BYD Song BEV plus PHEV. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so to assess the battery health of your BYD Song, whether it's in the BEV, battery electric vehicle, or the PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle variant, you can utilize the vehicle's inbuilt infotainment screen for basic information, and we can also use an OBD2 scanner for a more detailed diagnostic. Alright, so the BYD Song's infotainment system provides real-time information about the battery status. So what we first need to do is access the touchscreen. So turn on your vehicle and navigate to the central touchscreen display. Then navigate to vehicle information. So select the vehicle information menu, typically found on the main screen. Then select the battery status. So within the vehicle information menu, choose the battery status option. Then we want to review battery details. So the display will show state of charge, current battery charge percentage, estimated driving range, projected distance based on current charge, and also battery health status indicates such as good, normal, or needs maintenance. But please note these menu layouts may vary between models, so if you have difficulty locating these options, just simply refer to your vehicle's own manual and contact BYD customer support for extra assistance. Now, if we want to go ahead and check it using advanced diagnostics with an OBD2 scanner. So what we first need to do is obtain a compatible OBD2 scanner. So ensure the scanner supports electric vehicles and is compatible with the BYD Song. Then we need to connect the scanner. So plug the OBD2 scanner into the vehicle's diagnostic port. This is usually located beneath the dashboard. Then from here, use appropriate software. So utilize software compatible with your scanner to access detailed battery metrics such as state of health, cell voltage balancing, and temperature readings. Alright, and here's some tips for maintaining your battery health. So to prolong the lifespan of your BYD Song's battery, avoid extreme temperatures. So park in shaded areas during hot weather and avoid prolonged exposure or freezing temps. Regular driving, so frequent use helps maintain good battery health. If the vehicle is unused for extended periods, ensure it's charged at least once every 3 months. And also monitor charging habits. So while occasional full charges are acceptable, consistently charging 100% can accelerate battery degradation, just like your mobile phone. So aim to keep the charge between 20 to 80% for daily use.